CakeFaceFam, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today's look is featuring the brand new Viseart palette, Violet. I am so excited about this palette. I think it has beautiful shades, beautiful packaging, and a really great pan size. It's so fun that they included duochromes, and the mattes perform as beautifully as any of their mattes previously. I really enjoy this vibrant purple, and people always say purple is hard to formulate, and I've seen quite a few from different brands that have been lackluster, hard to work with, patchy, and not as bright, but I'm happy to report that this is a vivid, bold, easy to use purple, and I've had no issues with any of them. I really enjoy this palette, and I think that it would make a great gift for anybody who loves purple eyeshadow. Purple is one of those shades that so many people either love or hate. I love it. Purple was one of my first eyeshadow colors ever that I gravitated towards. I thought it looked nice on brown eyes. I mean, I love purple in general. It's definitely a me color. So I enjoy this palette. I think that colors like this one right here really make the palette stand out. This is also one of my other favorite shades. It looks like a lavender glow on the eyes when you apply it with a brush. So in general, I really enjoy this palette. Thank you so much, Viseart, for sending this my way. It was such a cool experience to unbox this. And okay, but honestly, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get this face started. Okay, my friends, we are starting with my favorite eyeshadow base, the Viseart. I think I want to do a deep lip, so I might start with that just to make sure we don't go overboard and then aren't able to do a deep lip because of everything we put on our eyes. So to prep the lips, I'm actually going to take a little bit of lip conditioner because my lips are very dry. The Velvet Midnight from Lisa Eldridge. I absolutely love her velvet formulas. I also have this gloss here that I might dab a little bit on top, the Myth Gloss. Myth Gloss. I do need a lip liner though. I went ahead and sharpened up this baby. It is the Plum Lip Liner from Eyeshadow. Nothing drives me crazy more than jaggedy edges of my lips. I really like to soften that edge, work it into the skin instead of seeing any skipping or anything like that from a lip liner. I really enjoy a blurred lip line, just a little bit lived in. Love that. Of course, we're going to use Violet. It's just so incredibly beautiful. I'm starting off with a flat natural bristle hair brush and picking up this soft duochrome with a silver sheen right here. It's got a really beautiful lavender glow to it. Lightly start to sweep that up right around the crease. I'm going to bring it up by the brow as a very soft glow. I'm barely putting any product down, just to create an ethereal sheen. I'm going to bring this above the brow a little bit too. I'm going to switch to this Eyeshadow G27. I'm going to start by packing on this bright, vibrant purple on the outer half of the lid. This color applies really beautifully. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That color is incredible. Got richness to it, vibrancy. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a sable hairbrush. This is the W36. I think I'll pick up this pale lavender matte right here called Liaison. And Bring this softly on the edges and bringing the pale lavender all the way across that crease, focusing it on the center part of the crease. Small Hakuhodo pencil brush with the deep aubergine right here. Darken the lash line. I love it so much. Okay, I'm going to take this blue purple shimmer with the G27. I'm just going to pat that into the center of the lid. And I want this to transition into that warm purple. Okay, I'm very excited for this next shade. I'm going to use the S31 from Esam and pick up Jezebel, this incredible pink blue duochrome. I love colors like these. And I'm going to pop that into the inner part of the lid. Wow, look at that glow. It's so pretty. I hope it's picking up on camera. It's dazzling. Okay, back to my first brush. I'm gonna pick up more of the silver lavender duochrome. Make sure I've got plenty on there and pop that right along the inner corner again, intensifying the effect. With this really random brush called Silk Green Line Smudger GL4, this beautiful lavender here, I'm bringing it across this transition area. And the thing about this color is I want it to transition into that vibrant purple, but I want this to be kind of laid down in a way that I can go in and blend that vibrant purple back on top of it. So I'm feathering this out, but this brush is pointed, so it's keeping all that color precisely where I'm placing it. And I'm going to go back in with this brush into the vibrant purple matte called Passion, working that in to the edge there. I'm going to take what's left on my pencil brush and just kind of drag that across real fast as kind of a base. Okay, with my tiny pencil brush, I want to go into this beautiful medium brown right here. With this, I'm going to get close to the lashes, kind of anchoring the look there. Okay, taking one step deeper, I'm just bringing that on the outer third. I'm going to finish off the eyes with red eyeliner. This one's from Marc Jacobs, called Fine Wine. Okay, some mascara. I popped on the Ardell Magnetic Accent Lashes, and I'm going to start on complexion using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer as a moisturizing base. Making sure I hit all my dry spots. This is the True Skin Serum Foundation from Ilia. It's just lightweight, and I've been using it with my Shakuda 3D foundation brush. This is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Dew Wet Rose Water. And with my fingertip, I'm going to pat this into the skin. I don't like to put this anywhere I put a lot of coverage because it will lift it. I am warming up the skin using a Sephora Collection Pro Complexion Fan Brush number 54 and the Viseart Bronzer Sculpting Highlighting Palette in this lightest sculpting shade. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, and for blush, I'm taking this beautiful camel color in the middle here. This brush is a little dense for their very pigmented blushes. So I'm going to switch to a softer brush and blend that out. I'm going to grab my little sable hair brush, the W36, and take some of the blush and sweep this lightly underneath the eyes. Ooh, I love that. Just sort of ties everything together. Okay, to finish off the look, I'd like to go ahead and put a little bit of this lip gloss on. This is the Myth Lisa Eldridge gloss. Right in the center there. And then brow gel. This is the Hourglass. Okay, so that's just with brow gel. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the sparse areas next. I think as a final touch, I would like to go in with just a little bit of this gorgeous Jezebel. And just with my finger, dab that onto the cheeks a tiny bit. Maybe a little bit of this guy too. That is it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating it. It's very sultry and dark and festive, fun, and it's got these contrasting warm and cool tones, which can always be a tricky feat. A look can often be disjointed if you don't tie the colors back together again. And I think that by bringing a little bit of both elements into each plane of the face, it really helps to create a cohesive look. So this is what I came up with. I hope that you enjoyed. I will catch you in my next one. Bye, friends.